Yes, God. Alright, on your Capcut app, click on New Project and import any background of your choice. So I chose to use white background. Now tap on it and drag it to your preferred video length. You get my point? So now come back here and then click on this navigation button. Then you click on text. Click on Add Text. So now what you need, we need this vertical line. We need this vertical line right here. Alright, so click on it and then go to style. Now we need to go to style and then select black color. See black here, you just selected the black color. Now that is fine. You get my point? Now you click on this pencil icon right here. Just tap on the video, the later layer. Click on the pencil icon. Let's edit again. Now we have to go and select the font we want to use for this. So you select English. Now go and click on unbounded. See unbounded here. Now this is okay for this. So you have to turn it, just turn it to make it flat, make it straight, a straight line. Understand, like this. That's horizontal line. You get my point? So when you are done with this one, just you want to make a gun. You get my point? So you don't have to make it too long. Understand? Don't make it too long. So when you are done with this one, all you need to do, just click on this lasting text. It's just like you using your finger to drag it to the end of the video. So you duplicate it. When you duplicate it, you make sure they are not aligned together. Understand? It's only the mouse that's going to align. That's what you need to do here. Is you place 2 fingers on your screen and then try to drag it to make it longer than the other one. You get my point? Please take time and watch this video. Follow it step by step. You're gonna get it. Understand? It may look very simple, but if you miss any step, you will miss everything. You get my point? So I will advise you to watch from the beginning to the end of this video. If possible, you can watch up to 2 or 3 times before you try creating this visual effect. You get my point? So when you are done with everything, guys, lest I forget, if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. So click on add text again. Now this time around you have to select a stroke. So resize it, make it small so you can position it at the bottom of the 2 straight lines. I don't know if you get my point. Just watch the way you see me do on screen and you are going to get it. Understand? Now you go to font. Now select English. Now you're going to choose Coda. See Coda right here. When you choose Coda, then you will have to align it. Just align it the way it is, like this. Understand? Then you click on OK. Now what you need to do, just click on this text, lasting text. It will still run through the end of the video. Understand? Now you come back again and then click on add text. Now what you need to do here is to click on 7. Just add 7. You see 7 right here. That's what we're going to use. So you add 7 right here. See the way it is. So I don't like it. Now go and select Ubuntu. So look at Ubuntu here. You get my point? So when you select Ubuntu, tap on OK. Now you will have to just go to that lasting text and then make it go through the end of the video. The next thing you should do is to click on that 7 layer. Understand? Now duplicate it. Just click on duplicate. You get my point? So you separate it from the first one, align it something like what you see on your screen. So you're going to have the gun handle. I don't know if you get my point. If you get my point, just let me know you get my point in the comment section. Position the 7 very well. Then you click on add text. Now this time around you want to add dash. This dash right here. Then you add the dash. You can now place 2 fingers on your screen and expand it. Make sure it will align at the bottom of the 7, the 2 7 you added. I don't know if you understand, but I have to believe you get my point. So make sure you position it very well. So I went to my YouTube video analytics to see that many people watching my videos are not even my subscribers. So guys, if you are among those people, please hit the subscribe button and then turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop another video editing tutorials. So you click on this lasting text to make sure it gets to the end of the video. I don't know if you understand me. Alright, now click on add text. Now you need to bring in this vertical line right here. You get my point? So adjust it towards where the trigger is going to be. On the font, you select unbounded. You get my point? Now you click on OK. So you still have to click on lasting text to make sure it gets to the end of the video. When that is done, you click on duplicate. You get my point? Now separate it. What you need to do, just turn it, make sure it's horizontal, just like what you see right here. You get my point? Try to align it with this other vertical line. Duplicate it to form a trigger guard, just like what you see me do right here. You get my point? So what you do next is each of those lines you go and select classic. Now click on add text again. Now this time around you are going to add bracket. You get my point? So this bracket, you're going to use it as the trigger. When that is done, now click on add text again. Now this time around you will still have to bring in another bracket, so just click on bracket. Now position it towards where the mouth is going to be. Place 2 fingers on your screen, try to adjust it. You get my point? So when you are done with this, you are still gonna duplicate it, or you can still come back here and then add another bracket. Understand? Now make sure it covers the mouth of the gun. You get my point? I believe you understand. If you are watching up to this moment, it means you are getting value from this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed. You get my point? Like and share this video. You get my point? Alright, so from here you can now save your video to your gallery. You get my point? Now click on new project and import the video you just saved. So now click on add text. Now select dash. So look at it here. So try to position it at the bottom of that handle. Understand? You select black just like you did in the beginning of this video. You get my point? So what you do again right here is for you to still select add text. Then you add this good icon. Understand? So you just select it and then try to align it the way you see me do right here. Just follow it step by step. Follow it. This, it might look very simple, but if you do not follow step by step, you will make a mistake, and when you make one mistake, it will alter everything. So that's why you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end, so you will not make mistake while trying to create it. You get my point? So the next thing after aligning it right here is for you to go and look for draw. Alright, so look at draw here. Now you click on it. Now click on black. You want to use black. You can decide to increase your size. You get my point? Now what you want to do here is to brush the whole handle. Just take your time and brush the whole handle, and when you are done with it, you are good to go. You get my point? Alright, so if you want to know how to add the animations, you click on the link you see up here. You get my point? Now you watch the video and then you will be able to see how to add those animations. You get my point? So after adding your animations, you can now save your video to your gallery. So see you in our next video.